Loveland, Colorado, is a charming city located just south of Fort Collins, along the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. It's known for its vibrant art scene, beautiful scenery, and a strong sense of community. The Loveland Museum and the Benson Park Sculpture Garden are popular spots for art enthusiasts. With its proximity to the mountains, Loveland offers excellent opportunities for outdoor activities. You can enjoy hiking, fishing, and boating at nearby Boyd Lake State Park and other natural areas. The downtown area has a quaint, small-town feel with unique shops, restaurants, and local events. Now let's look at top 10 restaurants in Loveland.
Are you tired of wandering around aimlessly in search of a decent meal while on vacation? Picture this. You're strolling down the bustling streets of a new city, stomach growling, and every restaurant you pass seems either too touristy or too questionable. Frustrating, right? But fear not, fellow foodie adventurer. Enter Global Eateries, your ultimate culinary compass in the sea of unknown dining options. No more relying on random chance or settling for mediocre meals. With Global Eateries, discovering the perfect dining spot is as easy as a few clicks. Imagine this scenario. You're exploring a charming cobblestone street lined with quaint cafes and lively bistros. Instead of playing a guessing game with Google Maps, you simply whip out your phone, punch in the street name, and voila, a curated list of top-rated restaurants right at your fingertips. No more guesswork, no more disappointment. And here's the best part. Signing up is not only free, but also comes with a slew of exclusive perks and gifts. Yes, you heard that right. From special discounts to insider tips, we've got your back when it comes to culinary exploration. So why wait? Embark on your next gastronomic adventure with confidence, courtesy of Global Eateries. Your taste buds will thank you. Visit us now at globaleateries.com and let the feasting begin.